Shifting focus now, and in Karnataka's Mangaluru, a law intern has alleged that she was sexually harassed by a senior advocate and special public prosecutor, KSN Rajesh. It's been a week since the FIR has been registered, but the accused has not been arrested yet. The intern has also alleged that Rajesh had threatened her if she spoke of the incident. As per cops, that advocate has denied allegations and called it a conspiracy against him. Meanwhile, one person has been arrested for threatening the victim's friend for issuing statements against the advocate. Let me go across to my colleague Neha for more on this. Neha, what exactly are the police saying? How far have they progressed in this probe?
Well, Tanima, for now, the police has formed about 4 teams is what we understand, and this is being headed by an ACP level officer, and they are on the lookout for this person right now, the special public prosecutor in concern. He's said to be absconding for the moment because, Tanima, let's just put this in perspective. Here you have a top advocate of the state of Karnataka, somebody who's represented the Anti-Corruption Bureau, somebody who's represented the Lokayukta as well, a special public prosecutor at that, and he is, of course, somebody who has a proper know-how of exactly how the law works, which is why the police said that, that is in fact turning out to be an added challenge for them right now since he's absconding, and, possibly, of course, he's turned his phone off as well. So the police are on the lookout for him right now. But, what really happened, Tanima, is a very unfortunate state of affairs. There's an audio clip also, that the victim over here has shared, wherein, it's very evident that this lawyer in concern is seeking an apology from her. And, she's in fact gone on to tell him that, after being the father of children, what was done was not acceptable. Now, yes, while the FIR has been registered under multiple sections, Tanima, there are almost about 9 to 10 sections that have been registered right now in this FIR at the Women's Police Station in Mangaluru. It's unfortunate that, right now, while the police have made one arrest of a woman who was responsible for threatening the victim's friend, the police have still not been able to arrest this person over here in concern, KSN Rajesh, and we'll really have to see, how much longer it takes. It has been about a week since the FIR was registered, but 4 teams, and hopefully the arrest should be coming through soon. But also, let's remind you, Tanima, that while, we are talking about this, the lawyer over here has still gone on to maintain his stand and, said that all of this was just a conspiracy hatched against him by a few people, and that these girls were in turn trying to blackmail him. So we'll have to wait and see. It's only once the police make his arrest that the investigation can proceed forward.
Right, Neha, they're tracking this story from Karnataka. Thank you so much for joining us with that. And with that, it's a wrap on the bulletin. You can keep tracking more news and updates on Mirror Now. Also, follow us on our social media handles on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram.